Look carefully at these two plants growing in the same garden area today. Both plants receive the same sunlight, water, and daily care routine. Yet one plant is covered with fruits while the other barely survives. The reason is not visible above the soil where most people look first. The real difference exists deep inside the soil around the roots. Healthy soil contains billions of microorganisms working every day. These microorganisms help plant roots absorb nutrients efficiently. Without these tiny helpers, plants struggle even in fertile soil. Most gardeners focus only on fertilizers and watering schedules. Very few people pay attention to the underground ecosystem. When soil biology becomes weak, plant growth slows dramatically. Leaves become yellow, fruits become fewer, and roots weaken. The good news is that restoring soil health is surprisingly simple. Two common kitchen ingredients can support healthier plant growth. The first ingredient is ordinary baking yeast found in many homes. The second ingredient is a simple banana that people eat daily. These ingredients have attracted scientific interest in recent years. Researchers have studied their effects on plant development carefully. The results show promising benefits when used correctly and safely. Before discussing the formulas, understand the real soil problem. Healthy soil is much more than dirt and organic matter alone. It contains bacteria, fungi, and microorganisms living together. These organisms convert nutrients into forms plants can absorb. When microbial populations decline, nutrient availability decreases greatly. Plants may sit in nutrient-rich soil yet still appear unhealthy. This happens because nutrients remain locked inside the soil. Without microbial activity, roots cannot access those nutrients efficiently. That is why rebuilding soil biology can improve plant growth. The first formula uses baking yeast to support soil microbes. Yeast contains beneficial compounds that encourage biological activity. To prepare it, start with 1 liter of warm water. The water should feel comfortably warm but never excessively hot. Add 1 packet of dry baking yeast into the container. Then mix 1 tablespoon of ordinary sugar into the solution. The sugar helps activate the yeast and start fermentation. Stir the mixture thoroughly until all ingredients dissolve completely. Leave the container loosely covered for approximately 2 hours. During this period, the yeast becomes active and begins working. After activation, you may notice light foam on top. This indicates that the yeast has become successfully activated. Never apply this concentrated mixture directly to plant roots. Instead, dilute 1 part solution with 10 parts water. This dilution helps prevent stress around sensitive root systems. Before application, loosen the upper layer of surrounding soil. Improved aeration allows better penetration into the root zone. Apply the diluted solution slowly around the plant base. Focus on the soil rather than spraying plant leaves. Repeat the treatment every 10 to 14 days consistently. Over time, soil microbial activity may gradually increase. Plants often respond with stronger growth and healthier leaves. Now, let us discuss the second kitchen-based recovery formula. This formula uses banana and rice to support stressed plants. Begin with 1 ripe banana, washed under clean water. Cut the banana into small pieces for better extraction. Place the banana pieces into a clean container or jar. Add 2 tablespoons of uncooked rice into the same jar. Pour 1 liter of clean water over the ingredients. Stir everything thoroughly so the ingredients mix properly. Cover loosely and leave the mixture for several hours. A soaking period between 6 and 12 hours works best. Avoid extending the soaking time beyond 12 hours. Long fermentation may create conditions unsuitable for plant roots. After soaking, strain the liquid through a clean cloth. Press gently to extract as much liquid as possible. The resulting liquid should be used immediately after preparation. Do not store it for long periods after straining. Apply approximately 300 to 500 milliliters carefully. Pour it around the root zone rather than stems. Use this formula once every week during plant recovery. Bananas naturally contain minerals valued by growing plants. These include potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium compounds. Rice contributes organic substances that support soil microorganisms. Together, they create a gentle support system for stressed plants. This formula is not intended to replace complete fertilizers. Instead, it works as a supplementary recovery treatment. Many struggling plants benefit from improved biological soil activity. For best results, remove weeds before applying any formula. Weeds compete aggressively for nutrients, moisture, and soil resources. Also remove badly damaged or diseased plant leaves promptly. This reduces potential problems and improves overall plant health. Regular observation remains one of the gardener's greatest tools. Watch for changes in leaf color and new growth. Healthy new shoots often indicate improving root conditions below. Patience is important because soil improvement takes time naturally. Results usually appear gradually rather than overnight or instantly. Consistent care produces better outcomes than occasional treatments. Combining proper watering with healthy soil creates stronger plants. Healthy roots support healthy leaves, flowers, and fruit production. That is why successful gardening begins beneath the soil surface. When the underground ecosystem thrives, plants perform much better. Sometimes the simplest solutions are already inside your kitchen. A packet of yeast and a single banana may help. Used correctly, they can support healthier soil biology naturally. Better soil health often leads to stronger and more productive plants. Always apply treatments carefully and observe plant responses regularly. Small improvements in soil life can create impressive garden results.